In today's lesson, we're going to go over how to draw Spirigatito from Pokemon. It took me a while to pronounce that, but really cute cat design, adorable cat design. Really easy as well. I think this one we can get through it pretty quick, so let's just charge right into it. Hey, all right, let's jump into Spirigatito from Pokemon. All right. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start with a curve line above here. So over here, I'm gonna go over here, curve line like so. It's gonna be for the top of the head. I'm gonna go the side of the face over here, and I'm gonna give him like the little fuzz coming off the side of the face, for like a cat. Over here, in, down, up. It's got like three little, going out there, little prongs. Same thing on this side too, right? So normally when you draw a cat, there's gonna have like this little like whisker, not whiskers, but it's kind of where the hair goes out at a point to the side on many cats. That's kind of what this is. It's a stylized version of that. So you got that spike, this kind of spike-like thing as well, and then down here as well. Right on, and then now it's gonna curve underneath. Like so. So you got the general shape of the head, right? But you forgot something major, and that's the ears. The ears are gonna be triangles going off from each to the right. So I'm gonna start right here, and then maybe the end of the ear is gonna go over here on this side. Up, down. I like to mark them out where I want the ears to end, just to kind of so I know what to aim for. So I'm gonna go out over here, triangle, down over here. Let's do a triangle on the inside, up inside here, down, over here on this side, up in here, down, right on. Gonna go here, the egg-like eyes, all right? So I'm just gonna start over here, maybe about the center area, maybe a little bit higher than center, obviously on the left first. And I'm gonna draw this egg-like pattern. Over here on this side. Over here at the top, line across, down, up. So it's gonna be the nose right in the center there. Center, low center, right? So if you're like draw a line across the center, low center. Let's go over here to the cat's mouth. Curve underneath, right here. Right there. All right. Got that little gatito kind of mouth. They're gonna touch the eyeballs there. And then down here, I'm gonna draw a open mouth, like excited right there. Almost looks like a tongue, but it ain't no tongue. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification right now. When you hit the subscribe, it's gonna let you know when I post. Not only is it gonna know when I post, realistically it's gonna show you what I post. Because I post every day. I post 3 times a day. Lots of content. All of it 10 minutes-ish. But what it's really gonna do is gonna let you know what I post. So you're gonna look on the right side of the screen, or let's say you're scrolling through your feed and you're gonna, one of the 30 thumbnails is gonna be easy pictures to draw thumbnail, and you're gonna see what it is. And you're like, oh cool, I'm gonna draw Pokemon today. Sure, I'll click on it. And that's kind of the idea. It gives you choice when you subscribe and click the bell notification. So make this the video you subscribe on. There's no downside. Let's draw a little tiny teeth right here. One up right there. Go over here on this side. Curve. Or on this side. Curve right there for that inner eyeball. One more in here because the iris. Let's draw the pupil. Pupil there. And if you really want, you can draw like a highlight right here, like a circle. You don't even need to do that, but I recommend it. Line underneath here for the tongue. And he's got this kind of cool pattern on his face, almost like a clover. So I'm gonna go over here, start on the left eye, It's gonna be a triangle out here. I'm gonna try to draw it thin because it's a color pattern. With a thin line, I mean. You know, it won't put that much weight on my marker here. Out over here, down, out over here, down, right there. Oh, Spirigatito, right? Spigat, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Okay, let's go down to the body and his neck. This is what I mean by like design language. Has that same curve, almost looks like a flower or something, right? Right there for the neck as it goes down. Outer neck area. Got these curved lines outward. And it's gonna do another one here, another one here, and it's gonna end at a center point. Over here, go to the right, the back of the leg for the top of the back there. Let's go to the bottom of the front, the side of the front leg. Down. Bit of a nub of a foot here. Pull up, across. Down here, over here, up. For that other leg. Pulling underneath for the stomach. Curve for the hind leg. And very, very little going on as far as like the foot, right? There's hardly any foot. Down over here, maybe you can see the back leg sticking out. You can even fill that in if you want. And then lastly, we're gonna draw a poofy tail in the back here. So I'm gonna draw a curved line. It's gonna be poofy. It looks like a drop. Out, in, curve in here. Like so. That's it. That's Spirigatito. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Hit the like button, by the way. That helps out the channel the most. When you hit that like, that just really, really helps everything out. Yeah, thanks so much, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.